Hello Jim Tech Buzz, we're going to give you a quick first look at unboxing of the new Skullcandy DIME 3, which is just launched. You've got 20 hours of battery life, IPX4, multi-pairing. You've got the Skullcandy Supreme sound, stay aware mode, built-in tile, clear voice, preset EQ modes, and you've got media controls as well. And you've got an integrated lanyard loop, which will be different than the DIME 2, which we'll have a look at as well. And noise isolating fit, and you've got mics in each earbud, and they start about 35 quid, which is pretty cool. So you've 20 hours here, IPX4, stay aware mode, and that there, and that's them at the back. And up to 8 hours and 12 with the case. Rapid charge 10 minutes, 2 hours. Side tone multi-point pair, which is pretty cool, and all that kind of stuff. So that's pretty much it on the box. Okay, let's get them open and have a look and see what they look like in the flesh, as they say. So we've got a piece on top, and we'll go from this end. So that's everything in the box. Okay, so you can scan to get started there if you want to do that. You've got your DIME 3 booklets. You get your cable with Skullcandy branding, and it's short, and you get your extra tips top and bottom there. And there we go. So that's the case there. And it's pretty cool. You can put this on your keys if you want to do so. USB-C on the back there. And these are your actual earbuds here. It does look like a remote control for a car or something like that. It's pretty cool. And we'll get them opened up. So you're going to pop them out from around here. And that's them there. So, just a reminder. We've got the Domino's edition of the, or Doritos edition of the DIME 2. So I'm just going to quickly have a look at that for size and all that. These are smaller. Case is smaller. Different design. You do have a lanyard ring there, but not like this. You've got micro USB on these, USB-C on these. And that's pretty much it there, as you can see. So these were small, so I'm wondering if these got smaller again. In case being smaller. But that's what they look like there beside the DIME 2. And glossy inside. And you can see we've got these little tags on here which we'll take off. And just pop them back in, and that's it there. So you can see our 2 LED lights coming on there now. Pretty nice. And let's check the magnets. Decent enough magnets there as well, and that's the size. So let's compare to the last model, which they do look smaller. Just going to pop them side by side. Yeah, tiny bit by the looks of it, but that's it there. Anyway, up close, what it's going to look like, and they are small and very discreet looking, which is pretty cool. Short little stem as well, so if you're into that kind of earbud, that's pretty much it on the face of it there, and what to expect and what it looks like. But size wise, they are kind of small. So if we compare to example from recent Skullcandy products, white case, that's the Skullcandy rail, and these are the smoking buds here. So when you look at the case size, and I've also got another pair here, if you might remember the Skullcandy haze. So if you look at the size difference between, just for context, that's what you're looking at there. So that's the latest from Skullcandy DIME 3. So I'm going to take them out and test them. And any questions, do hit us up. I'm going to gladly answer below. Stay tuned for a review soon on TechBuzzR.com. Don't forget to check out those reviews for those as well. And we'll see you in the next one.